Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, 5 routines. What are the routines? Morning routine for yourself, and then your children. Then being the operative word, you're first. Second is, if you're staying home, laundry. And while the laundry's going, go through an inch of paper. If you're working, save that for when you come home from work. First thing, put your laundry in, and while it's working, you're going to go through an inch of paper. The next routine is the after dinner routine for everyone and the before bed routine for everyone. 5 routines. That's the first layer of our cake. The second layer of our cake is our zone. We are in zone 1, the entryway. Now, that means the front porch, that means the stoop, that means the sidewalk, that means the foyer if you have one. That means the entry hall closet if you have one. Maybe the stairs feed into the foyer. You can do the stairwell at this time. Perhaps your dining room is adjacent to your foyer. You can do that as well. You can also take into account the back porch. But you've got 4 days. You had Monday. We skipped Tuesday because it's our personal day. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 3 more days to work in this area to make it look ship-shape for Christmas, for the holidays. Okay. Now that's your zone, and you're going to work for 15 minutes in that zone if there's clutter. 15 minutes of decluttering. If there is no clutter, you're going to work for 10 minutes or so on one thing. So hopefully you picked 4 things that you want to accomplish in 10 minutes or less on your front porch, entryway, stairwell, whatever, okay? And this is just for cleaning, a deep clean thing or a decluttering thing. This is not a decorating thing, okay? This is a deep cleaning thing. So maybe you have a hardwood floor and you want to mop it, or maybe you or clean it in some way, or maybe you have a messy front door and you want to clean it before you hang your wreath, or maybe you already have the wreath up but you've noticed it looks bad, so you have to move the wreath and work around it, that kind of thing, okay? That's what you're doing on your zone 1. Now, the third thing we're going to do is our basic weekly plan. Today is Wednesday, so that means it's planning and desk day. This is a fun day. Get your planner. You're going to fill it out. You're going to put today, which is planning and desk day. I write mine across the top. You see the little abbreviations? That's where I write my things, right across the top. So zone 1 goes across the top for the whole week, and then over Monday it's WHB for weekly home blessing. Tuesday is free. Wednesday is planning/desk. Thursday is errand. Friday is car/purse and date. Saturday is family fun. Sunday is renew your spirit. So you have an idea of what's going to happen the day before, and you can coach yourself on these things to make it a better day for you, okay? Alrighty. Now that's what we're going to do today. So planning. So you're going to plan. You're going to plan out, what are you going to eat? I put the food that I'm going to eat across the bottom of the page. So I have my menu. So come up with your menu. Make your grocery list. You're going to look in your refrigerator, your freezer, and your pantry. You're going to give your refrigerator a little wipe down. Nothing major. Just organize the things in proper groups so that you can find things, and wipe little spots and circles up. That's it. No major cleaning. This is not a deep clean. This is a little quickie in the fridge so you can see what you've got and have room for the stuff that's coming in, okay? Also, you're going to clean your Tupperware. If you have old Tupperware in there that you've left things in, my recommendation is 3 days is long enough to sit in the fridge. Plan on eating it within 3 days. Make it a point to eat it within 3 days. If not, and if you continue to have leftovers, then you're making too much food. You either need to freeze it or not make as much, one or the other. Okay. You're also going to balance your checkbook today. You're going to make sure that nothing weird's happening in your account or on your credit card or debit card. You're going to look it over. And you're going to make sure you're staying in budget. Re-look at your budget every week and make sure you are staying on task. It's so easy, especially at this time of year where we are free to spend. We go a little crazy, so don't go a little crazy, all right? Really rein yourself in. For me personally, the trick that I use is to put a brand new check register in my checkbook because I register everything I spend. And having a brand new one reminds me that, oh yeah, I'm being super careful to stay on budget. Always stay on budget, but this helps me renew that commitment during this time when it's okay to spend. Not that it's never okay to spend. I know you know what I'm saying. Okay. Now, if you're working when you come home, you're going to start your laundry like I said. You're going to go through an inch of paper like I said. You're going to start dinner. You're going to do a clutter check because we have 3 of those a day, morning, afternoon, and before bed. So it's an afternoon clutter check. And then you're going to inspect what you expect. If you delegated anything, you're going to look and see, did it happen? Does somebody choose not to do their job? If they did, then your job is to make sure the consequence happens so that your child knows that they have chosen a consequence and it will absolutely happen. And then you, yes you, do the job they didn't do. So that consequence better be worthwhile. Okay? Not mean, firm. You mean what you say. You're the CEO. In life, when they're working for a CEO, they're going to have to do what the CEO asks them to do. So they have to learn how to do that now when they're little. Plus, it makes life so much easier for them and for you. Okay, what's next? We're going to start dinner. This is for you who have been at work all day. Start your dinner. While dinner is simmering or holding, or if you just have a little bit left to do that can happen quickly, then stop and go ahead and work on your zone for 10 minutes to 15, depending on what you have to do. And then your basic weekly plan, which is the planning and desk day, that would be something you did at work. You know, you're going to have to take a look at it in the morning, maybe take a picture with your phone, see what everything looks like in there. And then at work, you can balance your checkbook, you can check your budget, you can pay your bills if you're using online bill pay, and you can make your grocery list and even order your groceries. Yes, you can. You have 2 breaks and a lunch hour, hopefully. Even a lunch half hour, you can do so much in that time. All right, that's it for today. You're going to have your before bed routine. You're going to get in your planner and make sure you plan it out for the week and revisit it. Make sure you put things in there like decorate the tree if that's something you haven't done. Put away your fall decor. In mine, I have the Nutcracker. I'm going to go do that with my granddaughter and daughter. I'm going to watch my granddaughter tap at a life care center. Let's see, what else do I have? That's the only things I have this week. Next week, I have things like a cookie exchange that I'm going to, a doctor's appointment, and a holiday concert for my grandson. So all these things are in here besides my work that I do. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to plan it out, and then you're going to make a point to look at it, to get yourself coached up, and then do it. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Wednesday, and always remember that you are beautiful.